Okay, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to set up a basic style sheet, which is important. So the idea of a style sheet is so that you've got consistency throughout your document, and it saves time. If you've got a 100-page document and you need to change all your titles, subtitles and body text, this is just a click of a button. Anyway, I'm going to draw 3 boxes. This is going to be my heading, this next box, subheading, and finally my body text. Okay, so let's input some type. So I'm on the type tool and I'm going to click in the first box and type in design 1. I would if I could spell. Okay, into the next box and put in my subtitle, prototype, and I have no idea why I keep typing this. I'm doubting my spelling. There is a spelling check feature on InDesign. I'll show you that in a later lesson. Okay, I'm going up to the text menu and filling with placeholder text. This is just placeholder text. It's just to visualize what it will look like. But obviously you'll have your own text to place in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for character styles. You can find it in menus at the side menus, or you can go up to type and click on character styles. Okay, so you can pull any of these menus out. You can see that you can just click. It can get a bit messy, so you can pull character styles here. This is style packs where you've got automatic ones, but we're not using that. We are going to use our own styles here. So there's your character styles. I'm just going to pull this out so that I've got that menu. Go to the small menu, click on new character style. In here, in general, I'm going to put in style name, which will be heading. Once I've done that, I'm going to go to basic character format, second one down. And then here I input the typeface I want, Helvetica in this case. Click. What style? So I'm going to go for bold. And then the size. So the heading for me is going to be 90. It's not on there, so I'm going to input 90. I'm not going to bother with anything else that doesn't need leading unless you've got a very long heading that's going to be 2 lines, but for this one, no. Okay, that. I'm going to do exactly the same for subheadings. New character style, style name. Make sure you do name all your styles, or else you'll get into a mess. Go to basic. Again, I'm going to go consistent Helvetica, but this time I'm going to click on regular. No, I've gone for light. And then here I'm going to, subheading will be smaller, so I'm going to go for 60 point. Again, I don't need leading at this point. Leading is the space between your text, the lines. Okay, click that, okay. And the last one, I'm going to click, choose new character style. This one is the body text. So here I'm going to put in body text. And then I'm going to choose my basic character format. Font family, so I'm going to go for Helvetica. I'm keeping this consistent, and this time I'm going to go for regular. I'm going to make a classic mistake here, and I'll explain this mistake. Okay, so I'll put the size in. Generally, it's going to be around 11 point, 10 point, depending. Don't go any bigger than 12. That is massive. Okay, leading. I want about 4 points of leading, but watch this mistake I make. I've input 4. So I click OK, and then to change all the characters here, all you need to do is highlight, let's say, heading, and then I click on the character styles, heading, and it should change. I do the same for subheading, highlight, change. And I click into the body text, Command A, Control A on a PC, highlights it all, and then click on that. And here's the mistake. I've input 4, so I've crushed all the type up. So I need to change this. So I'm going to create a new character style. I'm going to call it body so I don't confuse it with the body text. And it should be 11 point. And if I've put 14, that should be fine. I've got a clearance of 3 points. Click on body. I'm just changing that to make sure it does say body in there. It's very easy to make these mistakes, so just be vigilant. And then this body text here, I'm going to delete this. So you can delete styles, very easy. Click on the one you want to delete, click back in, delete style, it disappears. Look for it, replace with, and I'm going to go to body, it's already there, okay that. And then you've deleted the mistake you've made. That's it. That's a very simple style sheet. You can add to this. You can add as many styles as you want. You can change many other things in style sheets, but this is a very basic one that will help you format your document very, very quickly.